Hey everyone, back again with another mechanical keyboard to review from Keychron. It's the K6 this time, their newest product. So I'm gonna do the unboxing and show you what's in it, what it looks like, talk about it. Here we go. There it is, K6. Go ahead and unbox. So just instructions, layout, how to switch between all the modes. USB charging wire. Extra keycaps. And of course the K6. Just the instruction manual and a tool to swap out some of the keys if necessary. Here's the K6. It's really nice. The color scheme is pretty much all gray. No brown keys, or orange or any tinge like that. And of course they are Gateron brown switches. I'm saying the keycaps themselves are pretty much all the same color, just slightly very gray tones. And signature Keychron USB-C charging to go with the USB-C charging wire. They have two buttons here. One is to switch between iOS or Windows, and the other one is to switch between Bluetooth and wired connections. Taking a look at the back here, you can kind of already tell there's two levels. Two different heights that they can be used at. That's one of them, and here's the shorter, smaller version. So you kind of get both here on both sides. So there it is, the Keychron K6. Pretty nice. Feels really good. It's a nice keyboard. Now, just to give you guys a little reference, this is the new K6. This is the K4 that I have from before. So you can tell, you can notice already the difference in the size, right? So basically use this top row here along with the numpad. So you just get this one row here, still with the light that can change, and you get the numbers and the functions and everything embedded here. So it's a lot smaller. You can tell kind of like overlay. In terms, they're both Gateron brown, so I ordered the Gateron brown switches from both, so there shouldn't really be that big of a difference in terms of how it sounds. About the same. Can't really tell the difference between the sound, of course, because they are both Gateron browns, but the biggest difference obviously comes in the size. They both have really long battery life. Same toggles, same switches, same USB charging style. have it. Yeah, so after using it for a few hours already, I love the compactness of the K6 compared to the K4 that I already had before. Overall, very compact design. Again, it has dual capability for Windows and Mac. Again, wireless and wired charging. I experienced a little bit better connection with the wired as opposed to the wireless, but I think the wireless was still great connection, no problems whatsoever. I paired with 3 devices. I tried it out on my MacBook Pro, my iPad Pro, as well as my iPhone, and all of them I was able to switch between them seamlessly, just like on the previous Keychron models, so it's pretty easy to do. Definitely recommend it, especially for people who are always on the go. This compact version is pretty easy to carry around, and you can switch between all your devices. Just use the function, tap between the top 3, and you can alternate between your Bluetooth devices. Battery life was pretty excellent. Didn't take me that long to charge at all. I think it's about 4,000 milliamps. And the battery life, I haven't tested it, but according to the website and the details from the box, it should be able to last 4 weeks without the light enabled at all on the device. So without the backlight on, like you can see it is right now, without that light on, Keychron says that the battery will last for up to 4 weeks. I'm assuming so far, having used it for half a day, obviously no problems. Previous Keychron models, at least the K4, you could use it all day for numerous days, even with the backlight. I think 2.5 weeks is how much I got after using it for me 4 to 6 hours a day. So there's a great amount of battery life on it, and that's what Keychron is really known for. And obviously the lighting effects, there's tons and tons of lighting effects, and you can obviously shift between the colors, not only just the lighting, but you can shift each color for each effect as well. So overall, great keyboard, highly recommend it. Check out Keychron's K6.